Guys, this is the Rezvani, and man does this look awesome. A revived icon. Yes. It's like they took Porsche and put it on steroids. This is how awesome this baby is. Take a look at those lines. Is this something else or what? Now, inspired by an iconic race car of the 1970s, the RR1 revives the essence of classic racing vehicles. Keeping true to its heritage, this model is available in either 6 or 7-speed manual transmission, or the PDK system, which is one of the best out there, offering enthusiasts a choice that suits their driving preference, combining with timeless inspiration drawn from the icons of the past with the cutting-edge advancements in the modern technology and conveniences of the present era. And man, look at them wheels. I mean, just look at the body of this. This is something else. And yes, the 6-speed transmission and all of the conveniences of Porsche. This is something awesome. You have the fire extinguisher. You have all of the controls, the HVAC, rear window defogger, everything just at your disposal. This is just something else. That feeling, that leather, that, whew. Something about even in the Porsche, the shifters, that like that golf ball type of feeling, remind you of Volkswagen, like little bitty little vestiges of Volkswagen with a water cooled engine. This is just something fantastic, folks. This is going to be limited to 50 examples. 50 examples worldwide. Not going to be many of them. Manual RPDK. We're talking about 550 horsepower, or 565, or 750 horsepower. Yes. 3.0 liter flat 6 turbo, carbon fiber body, and a 7-speed manual RPDK. Wow. This is epic, folks. Rezvani has did it again. And then you have the 565 horsepower, naturally aspirated. Again, 4.0 liter flat 6, naturally aspirated, carbon fiber body, 6-speed manual or PDK, 9200 red line. Ooh. Now Porsche is known for that high revving red line engine. And then you have the turbo, the 3.8 liter flat turbo, flat 6 that is, carbon fiber body, PDK. This is something else. What an icon, folks. Let's look at the technical specifications. Boy, this back end is just killing it. Wow. (1,296 millimeters by 51 inches). This is something phenomenal. 4,700 millimeters long, or 185 inches. This thing is just gonna go through the air like butter, folks. Oh, look at that front. That front is just epic. And then that back. 50 examples, folks. 50 examples. So when you do see one of these in the future, it's going to be a rare find. And it is awesome. Wow. R1 again, 550 horsepower, 3.0 liter flat 6 turbo. These are the options: steel roll cage, which is 5,500, racing harness 750, upgrade brembo brake 7,500, lightweight polycarbonate windows 2,700, custom livery graphics 2,500. Wow. You're talking about with the 550, RR1 550, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. The RR1 565, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds again. A little bit faster than the RR1, but of course you expect it to be. He's got like 15 more horses. Then you have the 750, which is a killing 2 seconds. Again, the transmissions, 7-speed and a 6-speed, PDK, rear-wheel drive, and then you got the 750, the R1 750 being all-wheel drive. Suspension tailored and adaptable for steel and racing based on a customer preference. Optional OLED Motorsport TTX Pro coil over $6,500. Carbon fiber body, the tires, which of course 275 by 35, 20-inch in the front and 21 in the rear. Of course, that's 335 by 30. And this is just something fantastic, folks. Wow. What an automobile, folks. This is something super, super epic. And these right here, we just went over the technical. And then when you want to put in your order, this is something else. 50 cars, so you're going to put in your order, you have to put it in right away. Starting price being $149,000. This does not include the customer supply vehicle, so you got to get there with your vehicle first, which means you're gonna be dropping about. I think depends which one you get, but if you got a turbo, that baby can come in about $300,000 plus $149,000 on top of that. You can see what the prices are. But man, if you're one of the blessed people that can get one of these, this is gonna be something else. Now, if you go in to reserve your bill, let's click on this, see what happens. $500 deposit, folks. 4.0 liter, flat 6, naturally aspirated. So just drop your $500, you can reserve this baby. And this is something phenomenal. You hit the reserve button, I just want to hit it anyway, see what happens. Of course, you put in your information, your phone number, and then you click that. I'm sure it's going to go to a credit card and get your information. And I'm sure you're going to be able to get updates and all kinds of stuff. And at some point in time, they're going to be expecting delivery of the new car. They're going to be expecting that $149,000 cash on top of that. And you know what? When I look at this, it looks like this is going to be worth it, folks. This is going to be worth it. This is going to be worth it to the core. Renowned for its dominance in the designer car sector over the past decade, Rezvani Motors take pride in setting itself apart from the industry saturated with mass-produced vehicles by leveraging cutting-edge 3D modeling and carbon fiber technology. They specialize in creating sophisticated sports cars and sports activity vehicles. Unique and practical, setting them apart. They're exceptional too. Now, in the past, Rezvani is known for making bulletproof cars, and taking things to the next level when it comes to protection. I don't know what they're going to do for this particular car, the Rezvani Retro. We haven't seen anything yet, but let's go back and let's try to explore some more stuff and see. I guess they're looking at the forward thinking and making stylish designs here based on current platform and looking at the legendary vehicles of the past. It doesn't seem like in this particular situation that there's going to be anything as far as protection but you know what? I'm sure they can do it because that's what they specialize in, making bulletproof vehicles and stuff like that. But this baby is nice. Classic and modern. Retro style. 60s, 70s, and 80s. Bygone era. Something timeless, folks. A timeless classic. You will love this. Man. This is something special, folks. Let's go over frequently asked questions. Again, we talked about carbon fiber. What's the material made of? What donor chassis do you use? You can use the 992 models. That's what they're talking about. The Carrera S, the GT S, the GT3, and the Turbo S. Now, Rezvani Retro is a company that stands out against what we talked about earlier. Innovative conversions, probably on cars, modern design, inspiration from the past. It's not sponsored, associated, and endorsed by Porsche. But wow. Might not be today, but the way this thing look, it might be tomorrow. This is something else. The duration to build this is going to take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, they're saying. It's subject to fluctuations based upon a modifications sought by the customers. And so, but you're looking at a basic timeline here. They're saying 3 to 6 months. They're going to be made in the United States, of course, and California. And they're going to be producing something of good quality. And it is something nice. Any other questions? Sales, please email sales@rezvaniretro.com. Man, this is something else. Something phenomenal, folks. You guys, thanks for coming by. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. I have to go to this picture. That rear end is just so epic. That front end is epic too. What an epic vehicle, folks. Thanks for coming by. Like, share, and subscribe.